হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, আমি অন্বেষা। আপনারা দেখছেন নিউজ টুডে।
Dish TV Watcher.
Let's give a huge round of applause. So we saw a couple of issues and we saw what Dish TV is trying to do here, Dish TV Watcher. And I think it is only fitting that we start off this journey by hearing from the leaders who are shaping the future of storytelling, creativity and digital content in India. For all the log lines. Hello. Hi, how are you doing? What's your name?
My name is Devani.
Whether you have any artistic block or what do you do to discuss artistic block, this is a great way to meet to the person sitting next to you. Just introduce yourself and have a conversation.
First of all, thanks a lot for joining us here on this very first a unique initiative of Dish TV being brought in by Dish TV. We are calling it Watcho Storytellers Conclave, and I'm really excited to have you all here. We are just bringing another initiative live in the world of entertainment, and we thought there's no better city to start than Kolkata. So why Kolkata?
Tony, give me the answer.
It was like my regular 3 shifts, around 22, 18, 19, 26 releases a year. I think it's a record. I'll not say nationally, it's an international record. But that was a time when I used to do everything accordingly. I know that these are the things which my audience want from me. So that was the area. But from last couple of I'll say from last 14, 15 years, the character which I started working on, which is a little different, which is more human, which is you are relatable. So when I started doing that kind of a character, when I normally get a character like maybe a Lalun Koke, maybe Yatisha, I mean, a lot of characters are brilliant characters. Even when I do a Subhash Bose, I try to live with it. That's number one. And I always want, my director is sitting here, that there are few things which come to the script, which as a character, that this is written in the script, you know. But I normally ask them that tell me the backstory of this character. Let's make a story of this character which is maybe not there in the film, but that makes me easier to get into the character. And then of course I try to find out somebody if I know. I really couldn't find out somebody for my Jatisha because that was too like a very different kind of a character which I did. But otherwise I try to find out somebody whom I can take as a model, and then I try to do my best of sincerity, that's it. Nothing more than that. I think end of the day, which is most important is, I'm a director's actor. It's been always told by all my directors. I'm a student. When I do films with the new generation, you have to understand that I started my career with the directors like Tapan Sinha, Tarun Majumdar. Those are the legend directors. But I'm so blessed that I'm working with today's brilliant directors who are doing in Bangla, nationally also. I had an opportunity to work with Vikram, which was my debut in Jubilee. So for me, working with Srijit or Tony or Boshi, of course, Bobby haven't casted me yet. I will prove him that I am not a bad actor. So yeah, so Roshan is an excellent, brilliant director. So normally what I do when I see new directors are doing fantastic job, I start begging them.
This is a wonderful initiative, Dish TV Watcho, and I think that they are catering for the younger directors, writers. I think for the actors, it's a wonderful because there are a lot of platforms, but they also select their own way. But this is going to be a wonderful initiative, and they were talking about the script, especially for the newcomers. So in fact, I was supposed to fly down to Bombay, but I just wanted to be with it because I think this is a great initiative to have them. To get a platform where people can come and share their content, especially for the newcomers. They have great content. They have their great mind now. I think that's a great thing in future, and we have to cater for the next generation. I think that's a great initiative. আমি তো always বলতে থাকি there are huge scope now because it's not only Bangla, it's been like in India. A lot of great work is happening, and because of digital, লোকে একটা জিনিস ভালো কিছু ফেসবুকে দেখলে ওটা ভাইরাল হয়ে যায়. So I think this is a great opportunity. If you do a right thing, good thing, people will will know about it, and I'm sure people are going to take you as a director or as a writer or as an actor. So I think this is a great time because volume has increased, right? So cinema has their limitation. There are a lot of things for a film particularly which is releasing only in theaters. But when it comes to a digital, maybe a short film also can be a viral and can be watched by lakhs and lakhs of people, which normally we don't get in theaters. So I think this is a great time to do great content. Only my thing is that you have a lot of lanes now. Because আগে কি হতো একটাই বড় screen which is cinema, but now you have a highway, subway, side একটা lane, so you have to choose your lane and you have to choose your right target. So I think it's a great time. আমি যদি দেখি যে Watcho is because আমার বাংলায় if I'm not mistaken আমারই একমাত্র ছবি প্রথম যেটা আমি Z5 এনেছিলাম নিরন্তর, and it was completely appreciated because again ওটা প্রথম ডিরেক্টর, ফার্স্ট টাইম ডিরেক্টর ছিল এবং ছবিটা নিয়ে প্রচুর হইহুল্লোড় হয়েছিল. So I think if you have to understand the cinemaটার অডিয়েন্স কী. So yeah, we know when I do a Kaka Babu, it's for the bigger screen. When I do a শেষ পাতা আমার মনে হয় প্ল্যাটফর্মে প্রায় 6 মাসের বেশি নাম্বার 1-এ ছিল. But you see, people are ready to watch something different. So আমার মনে হয় if this platform really works, why not? I don't see no, because I really love to do experiments.
देखो, बंगाल में हमें मालूम है देर अनेक स्टोरी टेलर प्रचुर मात्राएं टैलेंट इखने आशे, राइट, बट उनको जो है प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिल रहा आज के डेट में. लोग क्या करते हैं, अपना कंटेंट बनाते हैं, उसको रख लेते हैं या अपने सोशल मीडिया में डाल देते हैं, वायरल करने का वेट करते हैं और एक थ्रेशोल्ड पे जाके उसको मोनेटाइज करने का सोचते हैं, राइट, बट इज़ दैट इनफ? तो हम एक प्लेटफॉर्म ऐसा बना के दे रहे हैं जहाँ पे जो भी क्रिएटर हैं, फिल्म मेकर हैं, प्रोड्यूसर्स हैं, कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स हैं, चाहे वो शॉर्ट फॉर्मेट हो चाहे लॉन्ग फॉर्मेट का कंटेंट हो, कि उनको ये सब सोचने का ज़रूरत नहीं है कि इसको मोनेटाइज कैसे करेंगे. हालांकि मोनेटाइज करने की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी उनके पास होगी, उनको खाली कंटेंट के ऊपर ध्यान देना है. अपनी जो क्रिएटिविटी है, जो अपनी इमेजिनेशन है, उसके हिसाब से जो वो कंटेंट बना सकते हैं किसी भी जॉनर में, किसी भी फॉर्मेट का, उसको शेयर करने के लिए एक डेमोक्रेटिक प्लेटफॉर्म हम बना के दे रहे हैं आपको. तो आपको ये सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है कि मैंने बना तो लिया है, इसको मोनेटाइज कैसे करूँगा, कहाँ डालूँगा, क्योंकि आज के जो प्लेटफॉर्म है आप पहले दिन से उसमें आप मोनेटाइज करना शुरू नहीं कर सकते. तो हमारी एक पहल ऐसी है, दिस ए यूनिक इनिशिएटिव, कि जहाँ पे आपको जो है अपनी बजट के अनुसार जो आप अपना कंटेंट बना रहे हैं, छोटे बजट का, बड़े बजट का, छोटे फॉर्मेट का, बड़े फॉर्मेट का, 3 मिनट से लेके 30 मिनट से लेके 3 घंटे तक का, आप सारा कंटेंट जो है डे 1 से आप मोनेटाइज कर सकते हैं, उसको मैनेज कर सकते हैं, उसकी इंसाइट ले सकते हैं कि कौन देख रहा है, कहाँ देख रहा है, कब देख रहा है, ठीक है. तो वो सारे डेटा आपको डे 1 से मिलना शुरू हो जाएगा, जो कि आज किसी भी प्लेटफॉर्म में अवेलेबल नहीं है. तो आज कंटेंट क्रिएटर कंटेंट बनाने के बाद रियली मतलब ही इज़ इन अ डार्क कि कहाँ लेके जाऊँ इसको, कैसे इसको मोनेटाइज करूँ, और इसलिए वो मतलब एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए ही रह जाता है, खाली उसके लिए अपने लिए। तो जो उसकी वायबिलिटी है और जो नॉट ओनली कमर्शियली बट ऑल्सो टू रीचिंग मास ऑडियंसेस, क्योंकि स्टोरी टेलर हमेशा पैसे के लिए कंटेंट नहीं बनाता है, ठीक है। कई बार उसका ऑब्जेक्टिव होता है कि समाज में और दुनिया में कोई इम्पैक्ट लेके आना, कोई अपने थॉट प्रोसेस से रिवॉल्यूशन लेके आना। माय नेम इज़ मनोज डोभाल और मैं डिश टीवी इंडिया लिमिटेड का CEO हूँ।